Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, Grey Boys NFT. The Grey Boys NFTs are 10,000 that have already been minted, and one Grey Boy NFT equals to an owner access to the blue chip NFT project. In today's video, we're going to go in great detail and give you a breakdown of what this NFT is about and why this NFT is so sought out after. If you've not joined their Discords, I would highly suggest to join their Discord, because the Discord is the place from where you get reliable information from, and obviously they're available on Twitter and OpenSea, so you can check that out as well. I'm going to put the link of greyboysnft.com in the description below of my child educational network. You can head over to my channel and check them out. So what are Grey Boys? Grey Boys are a collection of 10,000 generative NFTs that act as a membership to the mothership DAO. Floor prices for the great NFT projects are rising, and they're pricing people out of access to amazing utilities, content, games, and experiences. The Grey Boys were created as the first project of its kind to proxy ownerships of NFTs that our DAO acquires. Proxied ownership gives all Grey Boys holders access to the exclusive owners perks of any NFT held within the DAO wallet. Why get a Grey Boy, you might ask? The mothership DAO is an experimental attempt to proxy ownership verification, perks, and utility of the DAO acquired and owned NFTs to all members. Member vote for what NFT to acquire. Additionally, Grey Boys yield proxied ownership of NFTs acquired by DAO, and proxied ownership means that each Grey Boy NFT yields equal proxied ownership of all NFTs that DAO acquires, and ownership is proxied through a hybrid watch-only wallet and guarded signatory service compatible with the MetaMask. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever in regards to this, you can always comment in the comment section below on Facebook and on YouTube, and I'll definitely reply back to you. So how much are the Grey Boys? The Grey Boys are 0.07 Ethereum each to mint, and 30% of the mint proceeds allocated to the mothership DAO. The other 70% goes to the mothership's engineering fund that is used to pay the crew who are responsible for completing the roadmap items for Grey Boys and planning mothership events and making sure the mothership is functioning properly. The tokenomics is quite interesting. They're reserving 100 Grey Boys for giveaways, competitions, and general promotion purposes to help grow the Grey Boys reach and community. These Grey Boys will randomly be selected and only used as giveaways after launch over a long period of time. The remaining 9,900 Grey Boys are for sale. So obviously all of these information is available for you guys, so you can always come and check it out. So we're talking about the mint, we're talking about the DAO, the rarity tools, the playability, the research labs, the tokens, and obviously the rewards. All of this is coming together in a manner that I have not seen before. The roadmap is one of the most unique roadmaps that I've come across till now. The mint, the initial Grey Boys mint. The mothership engineers flipped the on switch in the mothership and welcomed the 10,000 Grey Boys aboard, ready to conquer the metaverse. Table stakes, but worth mentioning nonetheless. The mothership engineers sent alien delegates that bartered their rarity tools teams to have the Grey Boys listed, and I feel that is one of the most important elements that you have to keep in mind. With the mothership DAO, you have clearly put together a system. They've created a strategy, a mechanism by which they can easily scale this project to new heights. And you need to understand the roadmap in order to understand the success of a particular project. If you're familiar with the Bored Ape Yacht Club, if you're familiar with the meta avatars and beans and invisible friends, these are massive NFTs in the NFT space. And if you look at their roadmaps, you'll be able to understand the mechanisms by which they develop their roadmap. And based on their roadmap, they had a separate strategy, a strategy that was implemented and executed precisely how the roadmap had given. And obviously by following that, they were able to create an environment, a community that was dedicated, a community that was hinged upon the roadmap, that was developed by the dynamics and the fundamentals of the roadmap. And having a user, a community, individuals, and NFT holders that are holding their breaths according to the elements that you have written and developed. That is a following that will scale your NFT to levels that it has not known before. And obviously they have the playable Grey Boys, the research labs, the token, the rewards, and the roadmap 2.0. Guys, this is the roadmap, but two most important things you got to keep in mind is one is their Discord. You gotta join their Discord in order to get reliable information about this particular NFT. And obviously you have the Twitter. The Twitter is a very interesting place, and their Twitter has a lot of updates. There are 14,500 followers. I'm gonna increase that by one number right now. And if I scroll down, you can see the amount of engagement they tend to have with their users. And obviously, as you can see, they're updating their users, they're keeping their NFT holders, they're keeping everyone that's interested up to date, and that is what makes a successful project. Combining all these elements together gives you a project that can be scaled. And getting back to their website, I want to show you their OpenSea. Their OpenSea also has a lot of information. They have 10,000 items, out of which 3,400 owners, and the floor price of 0.77 and a volume trade of 6.3. If you look at the NFT, you can clearly see the amount of passion that has gone into creating this art, the amount of soul the artist has put in this particular art, the creativity that has taken place. All of this can be clearly displayed on the NFT in itself. And obviously having an NFT that has passion, that has soul, that has creativity, and that has a team that understands what strategy needs to be created, how it needs to be executed, and how it needs to be implemented, combined with the graphical element, you have a project of success. And they have a clear contract that is available, and I will suggest everyone to check their contract out. You'll be able to see exactly the information on their contract. Getting back to their website, we have gone over their frequently asked questions, we have looked at their roadmap. Now guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share these videos with your friends and your family so more people can benefit from it. And remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. If you have any comments whatsoever, you can always comment in the comment section below on Facebook or on YouTube, and I'll definitely reply back to you. If you want to contact me to get information, you can always drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel on the Educational Network. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.